Today, we are back for round 2 of the Drop.com mystery boxes. Last time I got pretty lucky. I spent $100 and I came out with something valued around $360. So, this time we're gonna see, was it a one-time fluke or do I just have good luck with mystery boxes? Exclamation point giveaway if you're in my live Twitch chat, or click the link that will be in the description of this YouTube video and it will bring you to this website. When you get here, all you have to do is visit my channel on YouTube, and I'd love it if you would subscribe while you're there. Or if you're watching this video, subscribe down below, please. Follow me on Twitch, follow me on Twitter, retweet my tweet about this giveaway, join my Discord server, and check me out on Instagram. And again, I'd love a follow while you're there, but just feel free to go check it out. I have barely posted, but still check it out. Let's see what we're going to get this time. And again, remember, if you enter the giveaway, the winner gets to choose any item from this, and they get it. Item number 1. Are we starting off with a smash? Looking like Cherry Profile PBT die sub keycaps. Okay, so they're kind of like a classic Windows vibe almost. So here are our keycaps. It is like a classic Windows vibe, like old PC keyboards. They're pretty nice. I have to say, they feel really high quality. And I really like the colors. So this is set number 1. It's just a PBT die sub keycap set. Yeah, I actually really like this. All right, so let's find out how much this keycap set goes for. Goes for $35. It's on sale right now. Normally $45, but still. So maybe not a big win right off the bat, but not bad either, I would say. Let's get back at it. All right. Let's see what we got next. All right. We got a Dwarf Factory Box here. We got a What's Inside, a one-of-a-kind keycaps made by Dwarf Factory, a pair of finger gloves with may cause misunderstanding, so I have a feeling it's like those tiny little finger condoms. A kind of funny and informative user guide, and our Love and Soul. All right, let's take a look. They gave us the gloves. We have to use the gloves. So I think it goes on like this. Just right on the tip. All right, sick. And this one, same deal, but on the thumb. Okay, there we go. We got our gloves. And let's take a look at our keycap. All right. Here is our keycap. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is unbelievable. It's like a little garden. It is literally a garden inside of a keycap. That is amazing. I absolutely love this. I know we've only gotten one thing so far, but this is my favorite. It does, however, raise the question, what is it worth? This really does look like it, though. It's just a different color scheme. Mine has green on the bottom. And I don't see any. Oh, is that it? This is it. So, all right, if that is it, that's another $37 one right there. Also on sale currently. So that brings us up to $72 of value, and I spent $100. So it's looking pretty good right now. It's so dangerous. I can see everything. Oh, man. We just got a sneak peek at the bottom there. Oh, we got to focus on this first. All right. What do we got here? Here we have the Skylight. We got another Skylight set. All right. It's the Skylight Classic. And let's get them out. All right. So it's another pretty basic set. It is the Skylight. So they are like an ABS shine-through plastic. And they feel fine, right? They're ABS. Here they are. Pretty simple color scheme. Could go on a nice keyboard that's relatively basic, or an off-white, or maybe a gray. Yeah, and it is shine through, so for all you RGB fans, you know, this isn't a bad one for a nice RGB board. If you were going for something really bright and shiny, this could look really nice. So let's see what these are going for right now. That is it. So that is $45 added to the budget. So we're ahead of the game. And now it is time for our final item, which I think everybody saw already. But I guess we crack it out. There it is. Back to back, we are pulling GMK. GMK Pulse. There are a few different GMK Pulse colorways. So what I'm hoping is that we got a good one here. Moment of truth. Psych! Oh, man. The GMK packaging is such a tease. The moment of truth. What did we get for our colorway? 3, 2, 1. Oh, man! The best colorway. Wow. 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 This is probably the most gorgeous set that I have now. Oh my God. Now, for those of you that don't know, these are my two favorite colors. So if the winner picks this, I'm going to be pretty upset. I might have to negotiate my old my GMK Pixel set that I got in my first box, because these are literally my two favorite colors. And I don't know that I'll be willing to part with this one. Wow. And let's take a look at the novelties here. That is pretty. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so that is our haul. And now we have to figure out how much that set is worth. This is the one we got. We got the Metalette colorway. So it's $109. Overall, still worth it. Right, I spent $100 and I got $230 of value. So to reiterate, we are doing a giveaway of one of these items, and I will let the winner choose. However, I was not joking about my favorite colors being the GMK Pulse colors. So to whomever wins, when you win, I'll message you. You can pick the item you want, but I will also be adding what I got from the last mystery box, because I don't want to lose this set. But I know that that's going to make somebody pick this set. So if that's what happens, that's what happens. That's what I get for running a giveaway, right? So if you want the Artisan keycap, it's yours. If you want the shine through set, also yours. If you really like the clean aesthetic of the white and gray, that's yours. If you really want the GMK Pulse, I have to part with it. Them the rules. I'll also be putting up my GMK Pixel set from the last mystery box, as well as the MT3 Fairlane from the last mystery box as well. So all of those are up for grabs. You can pick whichever one you want when you win. And I'm excited to see how it goes. I'm excited to see who our winner will be.